Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Imagine you've spent months preparing a 50-megawatt site, and you're ready to mobilize. Then a local council meeting you were not invited to effectively freezes your entire project. That's the type of conflict we're seeing in places like Michigan, where state authority and local resistance collide over solar permitting. Today, we'll use this as a case study to show who really controls solar permits and what site managers can do to reduce that risk. In Michigan, an updated state law shifted much of the permitting power for large solar and wind projects from townships to a state authority. Local governments and opponents challenged this, and a court of appeals issued a split ruling upholding much of the state authority while pushing back on some provisions. The legal details are complex, but the operational takeaway is simple: permitting power is being renegotiated across government layers. This is not unique to Michigan. Similar tensions exist across many U.S. states and European regions. When permitting is centralized at the state level, developers hope for more consistent rules and faster decisions. When permitting is local, projects can face patchwork rules and intense local politics. For a 20-megawatt-plus project, centralized permitting can mean clearer process but more technical scrutiny. In a local regime, you could have flexible negotiations or get caught in NIMBY opposition election cycles and ad hoc conditions. From a site manager perspective, this affects whether your notice to proceed is reliable or vulnerable to last-minute change. Here's how to turn an abstract political fight into something you can plan for. First, map permit sources for each critical permit. Land use, environmental, road access, and grid connection, and list which authority issues each one. Second, assign risk levels with local permits tied to political votes or strong community opposition marked as high volatility. Third, tie permits to milestones linking each permit to earthworks, structure installation, energization, and so on. This creates a visible schedule risk register you can discuss with leadership and contractors. Before any major spend, site managers should be involved in pre-mobilization risk planning. Walk the local political map to understand which councils, landowners, or community groups influence access, noise, visual impact, or traffic routes. Align communication and engineering so community commitments about screening, noise limits, or traffic management are tied to designs and budgets. Protect mobilization by making contracts with EPCs and key contractors explicitly address what happens if local approvals delay NTP or access. Many high-profile disputes in renewables begin not with technical failure but with broken promises to communities or councils. When a project is delayed by permitting conflict, the impact cascades across the capital stack. Lenders worry about extended construction periods, increased interest during construction, and default risk on milestones. PPA counterparties track COD dates and long stop dates, which may be breached, triggering liquidated damages or termination rights. Contractors submit claims for idle time demobilization or scope changes driven by permitting changes. If records cannot show exactly when permits were delayed, what instructions were given, and how work was adjusted, the project may struggle to defend claims. Build a one-page permit risk matrix for every major site before big money is spent. Columns should include permit name and scope, issuing authority, political sensitivity link to activities, impact of delay, and mitigation actions. Use this document as a living tool during weekly project reviews. When a court ruling like Michigan's appears or a local council shows resistance, you can immediately see which activities and contracts are affected. The Michigan case is not just a local story, it's a preview of the struggle over who decides where large-scale solar gets built. As site managers, start building your permit risk register now and brief leadership this week. You reduce the chance of last-minute shocks. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device. Smarter decisions.